941, it's breaking the low now. Sorry guys, I got disconnected, and then market is continuing to fall. Should we re-enter? You can, but then if you are re-entering, this LT5 should be the stop loss. You should be playing with strict stop loss. Okay, after this juncture, very close range stop losses are needed because strong potential for the market to reverse. You don't want to be on the wrong side of the trade, right? So you should exit when you see a good opportunity. And that's why it's important you keep some close 15 point stop loss you can keep, right? Because any reversal from here will be fierce. Very strong reversals can happen. That's why. Oof. Okay, already logged in to my system. That's cool. Guys, can someone confirm if you're able to hear me out? Just let me know. Say hi in the chat. It's pretty good fall. So I will also need to open. Thanks everyone. Thank you. I think it will stay out for today. Lose the internet for some time. So Abhishek, if your internet is not so stable, just close the trades and then watch the market. I'm sure we all made some money. Let's protect it and not lose it to the no technical errors like internet failure, power failure. Let's not take unnecessary chance. We have made some decent money, just leave it at that. Okay, so simply watch the stream and try to read what can be done. For suppose you have some big money, then what will you like to do for positionally? What would you like to do? Market has reached here. From here, there will be a fierce fall or fierce bounce back, or it could consolidate for some days. Anything is a possibility here. What would you like to do? How would you like to play this? That's what we need to think. Maybe these are time for strategizing. Okay, I would say this is a zone where you can strategize for future, not trade intraday. Intraday, I have closed all my positions. Made 9,500 rupees per lot for 5 lots. 45k you made then. Wow. That's pretty much great. Great returns. 45k is no joke. Really good one. Look at the reversal here. See, this is the strongest green candle you can see in this picture, right? In this frame, the longest candle that you're finding is this. Why it is happening here? Because this is a superpower zone. You will see a potential reversal from this juncture. That's why I'm saying that you should, if you're entering on the PE side, play with strict stop loss, because these sort of candles can come much bigger. This is nothing. Even one single candle can take it here. That's the power of this zone. So protect your capital. So that's a separate thing, Abhishek. That involves a different set of study. Oh, okay, one moment. I will, which should happen in short term, but not expecting this expiry. Sure, Abhishek. I think I can make one more session, but then I don't know how many of us here will be interested in sessions. I am stopping all the training programs because for my health mainly, because continuously I am sitting in front of the system. Don't want to really risk the health, but at the same time, if a lot of people are interested, then definitely I will be walking through some concepts and then make some new course. Definitely there are a lot of interesting things to teach and learn. Strategies are there. I can teach some good strategies that can give better results. So yeah, I think it's all about number of people being interested, right? So let's see, it's making another round of fall now. Sure, Abhishek. Very, very happy to hear that. I think when Sujata is there, Miss Sujata, who joined our stream some time back, she also wanted a session. So as of now, I know 2 people are really interested. But once we have, say, at least some 7, 8 people, it will be a good motivation for me to do the program. Because again, I have to sit, work and prepare. A lot of effort goes into creating content. So if there are more people, it will be a good motivator for me to work on. Anyway, we will see when that happens. Naturally, we will do it. I feel there will be a reversal from here. I somehow it's only a hunch. Okay, I'm not sure. It may not even happen. It may keep going down. Oh yeah, definitely. See, option adjustments are really the part of the course, right? For example, I'm thinking of making one course on straddle and strangle alone, complete course on straddle and strangle alone, because that works almost like some 70% of the market is strangle and straddle only, nothing else. Big players, 70% of the strategy is strangle straddle only. Nothing is happening. But the toughest part is adjusting a strangle and straddle is the most challenging part as well. To know the right adjustments and to do that is a big challenge. Okay, market's falling pretty fast. Oh, look at that fall, guys. Look at that massive fall. This is really, really a big fall. See, okay, what is the comment here? Siddharth says that the webinar coming from webinar money control though, and I have 1+1 pass, but I know they won't teach paid tricks. No, nobody will teach that. See, unless you're see, these are real money, real cash. Why should someone teach it in a webinar, right? Understand one thing, unless you pay the real price for the trick. See, you have a Ray-Ban, actual Ray-Ban, right? And on the roadside, people are selling Ray-Ban, okay? Probably it is Ray-Ban, looks same, okay, almost same, but does it work? Does it have the same aesthetics and feel? Does it have the same fineness? No, absolutely not, right? So when you are learning the real tricks, the fineness will be there, it will be more refined. um, so really this is too much to expect from a webinar. Webinar, they'll say that straddle you can initiate, probably some back data they will show. If you have initiated a straddle here, you would have made this much money. If you had initiated a short strangle, you would have initiated this much money. And it will be very obvious. For example, I'll show you. I can very easily show you one example. See, if you initiate a straddle here, you will be making great money, no doubt about that. Market was at 41,500. You took put and call. You waited all this while. You'll be really making big money. What is so great about this, right? But what's really great is when I'll show you another example. This is where I wanted. For example, you initiated a straddle, it went here, and then very next day it came here, right? So these are the days. How do you manage it? Suppose you initiate a straddle here and then it's staying here for such a long time. It is staying here. How do you manage it? For example, you initiated a straddle here, thinking, okay, it reached here, it fell so much, it reached it again here. I initiated a straddle, you initiated here, but market is not moving much. It is trading in 100, 200 points range. Now, what do you do? That's what a real adjustment is, right? So, yeah, let's get back. Yeah, sure, Siddharth. I can clearly understand that. These struggles are pretty much most common struggles. It's not that you alone. Everybody in the market struggling to find. And once you find it, then the funny part is one adjustment that you do may work in this market. Maybe the VIX has changed. Maybe the volatility itself has changed, the implied volatility, or the nature of put appreciation versus call appreciation or inverse has changed. Right now, the puts are depreciating faster or increasing faster, but the calls are not depreciating so fast, let's say. Then the adjustment may not work. So you have multiple adjustments for strangle and straddle, not just one. Okay. So a lot of people think that if I know one adjustment, then that should work in all market. No, for different market scenarios, you have different adjustments. That's the difficult thing to process. Wow, really good fall. Look at that, guys. Every 15-20 minutes, it's making a newer low. Everybody will think that I'm missing out something, so they will aggressively buy on the PE side, and market will give one long green candle. That's the kind of play might happen. Might happen. I'm not saying it will happen. It might happen. See, already in this zone, it has reached midway, right? Oh, I feel this should be it. No further entering. So it's good. It's good that market is taking such clean fall, but will it continue to fall? It might, but then is there a chance for reversal? Absolutely yes. So to me, again, this is a no trade zone. Like how we decided here, this is a no trade zone. Similarly, this is a no trade zone for me now. Okay. You had placed a courageous CE trade. Me? Yes, I have taken the position. It's a positional trade. It's a positional trade. I am taking it. Uh, See, with this fall, how many points I have lost? I have lost about 30 points, okay? Because it's next month end contract, premium will not depreciate much. Already I have taken it at a very, very cheaper price. So, it's not depreciating much, right? Some 30 points it has fallen, that's all. I am not closing it also. My thing is once it breaks this zone and goes down, then I will consider exiting. Right now I am not exiting. I entered somewhere here on the CE side. Okay, and right now this fall has happened. Somewhere here I entered, I think. This much 150 points had fallen, 30 rupees only disappeared. And 50 quantities, 1500 rupees loss. So no big deal. Yeah, 1500 rupees, correct. And there are many ways to adjust. So if the market is falling, I can do multiple different styles of adjustment. Let me be clear of the direction. See, today morning I said this is downtrend and don't enter into the CE side, please. Right? Very clearly we have done that. Once I have a clarity on that, this is a positional trade. Another 50 days are there, correct? In 50 days, will I not be able to recover my 1500 or do anything about that adjustments and all? I can easily get out of that. So not a problem at all. Okay. So just a moment. One second. VIX up 13%. That's cool. Wow. Market has gone to those extremes. But what can also happen is it will break and then everybody will start thinking that it is going to go down. But I'll show you some examples from the past. Okay, let's go to this 15 minutes candle and see. It has breached, but it has come up. Again, it has breached. Again, it has come up. On the same day or very next day, market might bounce back. And look at the kind of bounce back that has happened, right? When it bounced back from here, it's not just some 100 points it went up all the way here. Again, it bounced back, it went all the way up here, right? So again it came here, bounced back, it went all the way up here. Again it comes here, bounces back. If it is going up, it's a great reward, right? So I'm willing to take that risk. That's what I'm doing here. Maybe 5 minutes candle, let me shift. Wow. So market has fallen how many points today? 700 points of fall. Pretty intense. So people will be really scared to enter into the CE side. Reason is every time there is a green candle, there is a huge sell-off. Green candle, huge sell-off. So people will be pretty scared to enter into the CE side, right? But I am not playing it for intraday, right? I am playing it positionally, and I am willing to take that risk. Goodness. So Siddharth is enjoying. Even his margin PE of 3,800, 38,500 is giving him a return. That's cool. My God, breaking the zone. Hey Sunny Sharma, welcome. Hi. Yes, it's red and we might find some support hopefully. If not, then we might see it breaking the zone and then probably more falls. But then this is a zone. Anything can happen in a zone. We can't predict the market directions when it is trading in a zone. A potential reversal is always a possibility. Be mindful of that. I think this is the hammer and this is the reversal. Potential likely scenario. See, it has come down, so much fall. It has formed an hammer and then it is finding a reversal. Textbook reversal indicator. Plus it's a zone, double confirming, but it might fall down as well. So that's what strange is. You might read something about candlesticks, you might read something about zones, watch videos, but what market thinks and what market does is beyond our control. So yes, it has formed. Can it reverse? Yes, in all probabilities. But should it reverse 100%? Not necessary. So big players, how they want to set up the trap is up to them. And here the chances of reversal are about close to I would say 95% of reversal chances, very strong reversal chances if you ask me, textbook wise. Okay. कौन सा indicator use कर रहा है? Okay, Sam, this is something called FASP levels, which I created on my own. So every day I will be drawing out these levels basis which I trade. This is mainly to help in the intraday decisions. So you see that it has taken support at LT7 and it's strongly reversing back. So other than that, I use pivot, EMAs, RSI, volume, all the things that I am using. But if you're asking about these lines, yes, these lines are called FASP levels, which I draw on a daily basis for my intraday. So is that clear, Sam? If you want to know how to draw these, FASP levels, there is a video on YouTube. I have posted it in my channel. Maybe I can give you a link. Just a moment. If you want to draw these levels yourselves, you can check this video link. I will share it in a moment. Here we go. Yeah. Just check out this link. Okay. Here you can find out how to draw these FASP levels yourself. Till where I'm safe. Need to know that. Welcome, Sam. Is it a morning star? Which one is a morning star? This is not a... It's an hammer pattern. Morning star... I just forgot the pattern. 1 second, let me check on Google. Morning star... Yeah, that's a morning star. Very good, Siddharth. I'm happy that you are experimenting some adjustments. Yes, this is a morning star. Okay, this is also an hammer. We will have a very interesting decision in 10 minutes time. Okay, we will see some sort of action in 10 minutes. Let me also confirm that with one more thing. The decision was made. Okay. Yeah, 2 o'clock to 2:05 will be a very important decision point. Will that Friday gap down hurt us in the future? Let's check the chart. This gap down, definitely it will hurt, not immediately. Maybe if the market has gone down, say another 1,500 points, in future there will be a lot of volatile swing to fill this gap. Definitely this is one point of concern. 4,800, right? Yeah. Yes, that will hurt in the future. Right now it's continuing to make newer lows, guys. It's continuing to break. It's breaking all barriers. Oh, Sam, that's amazing. Thank you so much for the subscription. Really appreciate that. Uh, I'm sure you continue to join our streams regularly. Very happy to see that. Should not. It will no, it will not become resistance in the uptrend when there will be gap ups and volatile moves. When it reaches that zone, there will be it won't give any chance, since it was around that point when there is a lot of consolidation happening. There will be a fierce short covering rally, unexpected surprise moves to fill that gap will happen. That's what I meant. It won't act as resistance, support and all, just that there will be fierce intense actions happening around that zone. When the market reaches that particular point, it will be very volatile and showing some sort of aggression in that zone. That's what I meant. Oh, thank you so much, Santoshji. Really appreciate it. Yes, if it no continues to grow and reach out more people, I'll be really happy. Your support, because sitting and talking all these things is great to interact. It'll be more fun when more people are there. That's all my ask is. So in that journey, I'm seeing a lot of support from one and all. There are continuously people from the start, when we all started this live streaming with hardly 10 people there. Since then, people have been watching and supporting. So thanks to all of them. Hope one day we hit 1K subscribers. That's one of the long-term projects, dream. Let's see if that realizes sometime. But yeah, for now, if we can hit 400, that's a great thing. Siddharth, what I would suggest is when the market reaches that zone, I'll ask you to initiate a straddle. That's what I would recommend. I think market is not taking any breath at all. It's like, my God. This is absolutely ridiculous fall. But yeah, let it fall. I'm happy. Already that position that I have taken is like down by 70 points. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that because in fact I will also average another 50 quantities. Yeah. 534. Okay. Right. Because for me, the weave is very important. I have done on average also. So 100 quantities I have. That's fine. 575 is the average almost. I'm okay with that. You're playing in the C side. Jatin, please don't enter. I am taking it positionally. Okay, I am taking it positionally. Not even this month contract. It is next month end contract. Okay, so I am doing it for a different reason. I have already explained why I am doing it also, because this is a good reward zone. I have showed that also. Let's see in 1 hour chart. Whenever the market has reached this particular zone that we have drawn, see, it has broken and then made, and then first time that it came here, it went up fiercely. Second time it came here, it went up fiercely. Third time, fiercely it went up. Now it is entering here for the fourth time, right? And it could really be going back. There is a great possibility for the market to reverse from here. And if it reverses, it will not reverse just 100 points, 150 points. It should reverse some 400, 500 points. So to capture that, I am entering it. Okay, it's a risk that I am taking, not for all. Okay, I wouldn't recommend that for everyone. Trend is downtrend, and I am not even suggesting. I'm not even told that anybody should enter. Just I am risking it. Okay. Santoshi says, yeah, drawing fast levels is time consuming and a bit difficult for sure. Then oh, thank you so much, Santoshi. Very, very kind of you to narrate the pain points. But yeah, really appreciate that. Okay. Ijagiri Anand asks how to draw those lines like buying ABD and selling zones. Um, See, sell zones and buy zones I will have to teach you in a session. That cannot be just like that explained. It involves certain technique and more factors to be considered. Okay, so it's not just one simple explanation. It's a course by itself. So much to talk about it, but yeah, people are actually doing a course on that. Okay, um, but FASP levels that I have drawn, these L1, L2, L3, all these things, I have already made a video. I shared it some time back, resharing it again. You may watch this video to fully understand how to draw these levels. Okay, it's pretty helpful to understand. I think this is the reversal point. I have a very strong feeling that this is a reversal point. In fact, the CE premium for this move only is like jumping. Only 50 points it moved, already 20 points are jumping in next month contract. So I think this should be a reversal point. I may be wrong, but yeah. Oh, sure. I think that's a very good thing, Siddharth. Please do share. We all can co-learn. I think we all will have some excellent learning experience. Mhm. So market is in a do or die situation. Breaking this, I think 35, 500, till where we can expect. Let's anticipate that as well. I'll just draw one small box here, just in case if tomorrow that opens here, I know that I can go aggressively at this place. Okay, just I am keeping it temporarily. I am going to give it a very weird color because this is not a zone. This is only for me to average and take new positions. That's all. Maybe 5 minutes. Let me switch. Yeah, this is good because I should know where I should average next. I have already done one average. The next average I will do extensively at this level, not before that. Good thing is the CE premium is not depreciating. Although its market is going down, it's not depreciating any further. What's happening? Although the price is going down, the CE premium has increased by 5 rupees. Okay. Yeah, Sylvie, it's a falling market, no doubts about that. But till what extent it can fall, that's a question. Uh, mhm. It's in the zone. It might, get out of the zone as well. I think 700 it's finding some sort of strong support, but breaking which should take it to 575, 39 575, and breaking that can take it to 39 440. So all these are possibilities. Like four, this is the range. All right, I think I've been sitting for more than 1.5 hours now. Little bit of stretching is needed. Okay, so just no, continue to watch the stream. Keep supporting. I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay. Uh, So market shows no signs of slowing down. It's going down continuously. Um, it's a pretty big fall. Uh, can it break this zone and go down? I think next 20 minutes will answer that. So let's wait and watch. Check the comments. I haven't checked it. So what is that yellow band? Ganesh ji, that is where I wanted to do my next level of average. It's for me to mark where I want to do average next. So I have taken some CE positions somewhere here, and one more lot here I have done my average, and it's continuing to fall. Here I will do my next level of average. So it's on the CE side I'm doing some averages. Positional trade it is, not for today. It's for next month contract. Yeah, CE cost is not depreciating much. It's holding on. Particularly next month contract, it's holding on. The strike that I have taken is 41,000. 41,000 CE. 41,000. Because 40,000 is trading at 1,000 rupees, so too big of investment. I don't want to do that. 41k will not depreciate, particularly next month expiry. It won't depreciate much. Plus the risk is also limited, very small risk, so I can take that. That's the logic. But yeah, it's fine. Completely manageable. This position is completely manageable. Correct. I entered around 605 rupees first entry, then 530, 235 I did one round of averaging. So that's all. Next month end contract. Correct. Yeah, you are most welcome, Sujata. I don't know if you are online. Let me just go here. Correct. That's what. It's not the only position that I am holding, right? Like I am also having some straddle. So I will make multiple adjustments that will be there. If it is, the downtrend is going to continue, then I will think of how to get this 600 points. That's not a big deal. I can always do that. Mm, Yeah, I can continue to hold it because decay won't be much. At least some 2 rupees will decay. This juncture I can hold on. And if there is a gap up or trying to reach 40k, I will be already in profits. Just 40k, do you not have to reach 41k. All it needs is to reach 40k, right? The moment it reaches 40k only I'll be in profit. So very small risk and the rewards are good. 400 points if it comes, I'll be in profit. And even if it is coming after, say, a week time, I'll still not be losing money. There is a voice message. Okay, I think divs is someone who has posted. I think it's an accidental posting in Telegram channel. I thought something was told. Looks like a wrong recording. Okay. Anyway, no worries. See, think of it like this. A very good stock has crashed, and then it is something that was trading at 500 rupees. You are getting at say 300, and you know that it has strong potential for the retracement. What I am talking about is it has a strong potential for it to bounce back, say at least some 350 levels, from 300 to 350 levels. Why should I not risk that, right? And that too without any decay, without any uh, much risk. I can always be in that trade, and if it is not working out, it's not the end of the world, right? We can always do some adjustments and then make it more profitable. Maybe I can initiate some sort of weekly writings to cope up with that. Do a lot of things. Variety of things can be done. So that's why I'm leaving it. It's making newer lows. It has made a low of 597. That has broken finally. So since it has broken, we have reached the target 575, I said, right? That target is now reached. If it goes here, I will take another round of averaging. And look what happened with this fall. The premium has depreciated only by 3 rupees. It was trading at 513. It went to 508, and then currently it is at 513. So nothing, no premium has been lost. So beyond a point, it won't depreciate also because of the time value. In fact, it has reached 519 now. When it was here, it was 513, 515. But when it reached here, only it became 519. So premiums won't depreciate beyond a point. Okay, let's check the comments. So, see, Siddhartha, unless I understand the position that you are talking about, calendar leg means, can you just explain the positions? Then I will be in a better position to answer. Right now, I don't get the clarity of your question. Oh, very rare day where you see how many green candles? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 green only. Rest are all in a 5 minutes time frame, only 17 green candle. All are red. Pretty interesting. No, buying and selling, same strike, different week. It all depends on the movement, right? Today it went down 700 points. There are weeks where the market is stuck in a tight range of only about 300, 400 points. So it all depends on the action that's happening, basis which we will do the adjustments. So it's not very, no black and white. You cannot say that, yeah, we should do this or this is the right thing to do. There's no such thing. Basis what happens in the market on a weekly basis, we will decide that. But if you usually that will lead to a loss only. If you are waiting till the last week without doing much, buying and selling, you will have some sort of W pattern as the loss. So yeah, wait a second. Right. I think this is going to be a battle zone. This is really going to be a big battle zone. So market reaching Jan month low. Look at the bounce, guys. Look at the bounce. This is what I was saying. Already it is at 545. Already 545. So absolutely great bounce back. So there are a lot of messages going on. That's why I'm checking Telegram, everything, because people have been on the C side of today's expiry, finnifty, and somebody has taken Bank Nifty of this week expiry on the CE side. So a lot of mistakes. Guys, I have been telling from the morning that never enter into the CE side. Within first 30 minutes of the trade, we have written this, right? Just as soon as the stream started, next 15-20 minutes I wrote this: no trade zone and no CE today, please. That's what I have written. But then people haven't joined the stream and wrongly took the position. That's the kind of mistakes, that will cost a huge fall, right? It's really unpleasant, but then you got to book. You got to book and exit. No other options. Again, there are rejections. So Naveen had a 40,800 straddle April expiry, doubled on the PE side, so I exited and then holding only CE. Sure, you can hold on for some time, Naveen. Definitely not a bad idea. Funny, Siddharth. So once again, the sharp recovery and then it came back. So people are saying some Jan month low. Let's go and check that out. That is there. This is the low we were talking about. It will attempt to break that. So let's check the comments. It never showed this. Yeah, actually this is where the slowdown is happening, correct? 15 minutes is neat fall. Let's check the 5 minutes. Okay, markets making its new low. Yeah, I think below this it's very difficult today to go, I believe, because taking down the Jan month low means that you are clearly saying that we are on the downside and market wouldn't like to reveal where it would like to trade. So in all probabilities that this should be the range at which it should close. um, might be plus or minus some 50 points. Or another great possibility is that it can reverse and enter into the zone and close. Somewhere here it can enter and then close. That's one possibility. But down move, will they reveal entirely and say that I am going down? Very less chances. See, I'm not even thinking of doing any further averaging. It went to 500 rupees and currently it is trading at 520. With very small moves, it's jumping. And it's look at the force at which it's going now. Right, this is what I was saying. Potential reversal is possible, and then premiums are just jumping. Maybe this is what I was saying, like it will enter into the zone. Uh, Most likely, a close here would be good because nobody knows whether it will reverse or it will go down. I also don't know what will happen. But this is the strange place to close. Okay, if they are closing here, then they are clearly saying that we are going down. If it's going up, then maybe till here it's good recovery. People will be like in confusion whether the market is reversing or whether it is going to continue the fall. So that will be a good place of confusion to leave people at. So I think till if it retraces till this level, it will be a good close. In which ways? Let's wait. Yeah, maybe not. If not today, so that it might happen tomorrow. So, in which is Monday giving this set of momentum means a lot. It really means a lot. That's right, Selvi. All the tension that was built got released in one day. That's true. Market really paid off very well for the put buyers. going down pretty fast now. Yeah, it's going and testing it today itself. Wow, that's a pretty defining statement. Below 500 it has gone. Wow, that's really something. All right, I have placed an order at this level, waiting for it to get executed. Then let me also add this into my trade. Okay, let's see what happens now. It's a good pullback. It's really a good pullback. So massive pullback happening there. Okay, I will check the comments quickly. True, that was very difficult to hold on. Definitely, I can understand. We all know that market is to fall, but then still, the kind of depreciation that's happening in the P side over the months is not giving you that confidence to hold the positions quite comfortably, because one single green candle wipes off all the profits. So that's the game that we have been trained for, and we have to break that and get over that. Right. So anyway, let's see if there is any further fall or it's reversal. Because look at this red and then look at this green, right? It's pretty uh, pointed. See, market is holding on to 500. At least it's finding some support at 500. That's a good sign. Yeah, pretty interesting to watch. Really, it's going to be a pretty exciting Tuesday tomorrow. What will happen tomorrow? Will it further continue to fall? Will it bounce back from here? It's going to be defining. If it breaks, we are in for a massive fall. Wow. Okay, that's a good bounce back. Alright, let me check the comments. Sorry, I forgot. So take care, Siddharth. See you tomorrow then. Oh, that's a really sharp rally on the upside. Pretty sharp move, that is. Till where it can go, that's the question. And entering here is a good sign. $630 is 439, $630. Very good pullback from the low, definitely. Can it, maybe 7 minutes left. Will it try to reach 700? That will be really confusing everyone. If it reaches another 70 points in 7 minutes, it will absolutely make everyone go crazy. Wow, that's some fierce move, really fierce move. Good sharp move, that is. Really, it is fantastic move. Let's quickly check the comments. And we hold PE for tomorrow. Calm mind, no, not at this juncture. It's better if you're already on the profits, book it and exit. Tomorrow we will take a fresh trade. Anything can happen from here because the market is recovering also, right? That's the thing. It's very difficult to predict what might happen from here. So my sincere advice is just square off and then wait for opportunities later. Okay, so 3 minutes. I think I should go for this. Okay, let's do that. 8,500. Okay. So I am doing some sort of adjustments for my position because I am carrying overnight some CE positions for which I am writing some weekly edges so that the decay I am able to capture. So that's the whole point. Now that this is done, absolutely done. Market, if it opens tomorrow at the same levels, I shouldn't be making any big loss or anything. Just, yeah, this is pretty much fine, acceptable. Yeah, market closed. This is pretty good finish. I think I'm fine with this. Um, let's check the comments. Yeah, that's fine, Selvi. You can hold. Cool, guys. I think it was a great day. Any questions, any comments, feedback, feel free to put it. And I will wait one last minute online and then I'm going for lunch. Hope you all had some good day. Most welcome, Santoshji. Thank you so much for being there. Hi, Jatan. Yeah, Ejagiri Anand, thank you so much. Still market bearish or is it reached its low? So this is the point, Bhargav. I am expecting the market on the downside is still there, okay? But then it won't go just like that. What I have seen of the market is that it is bouncing back and then dancing some time, not clearly taking directions. There is still 2,500 points of fall left. Yes, there is a chance, Jatan. There is a chance that it can reverse to 40K level. And if that happens, then that will be the retracement move. Okay, see, market has fallen so much. some retracement is about 40k level. At least it should try to reach that. And once it breaks, then we have the next level of support at 38,600 and 37,700. These are the various levels of targets. So if it falls, the next target is 38,600. That is about 1,000 points, and from there 37,700, 900 points down. Likewise, there are many targets, but then what I am seeing is that there could be a potential reversal or a breathe before it continues to fall down. So we'll plan that accordingly. Yeah. Very good, Anand. Happy for you. Ending the day with profits. That's pretty good. So nice. Let the market battle it out. Right. Sure. I think we can call it a day then. Right. Any questions? Still, Bhargav, I think I have answered your question. Jatan. But why do you believe another 2,500 points downfall? That's positionally I am talking about, not like tomorrow it will happen. I will talk about it maybe quickly. Look at this now. From where the market has gone up, you see that it has gone up from here to here. That is almost about 12,500, 13,000 points of rally that was. Okay, so from the low of 32,000 it went to 44,000. Okay, and from there, if I have to draw some levels of retracement to 0.618 level, that is at 37,000. Okay, that's why I'm saying that the market, if at all bare minimum, if it has to retrace, then 37,700 levels is the target that I'm expecting. Right. So furthermore, I will talk about it during the live stream tomorrow. Maybe it require, a lot of people have already left also. It will be good educational information for them as well. So maybe during the live stream we can discuss that, Santoshji. Is that okay? Yeah, sure. Thank you. So Jatan, what I was thinking is that it might hit the stop loss of people who initiated position in Jan or Feb start, then jump back. Yeah, it could happen. Thank you, Santoshi. Yes. Oh, yeah, I will convey the regards, definitely. Uh, so thanks everyone. I think this is enough for the day. So see you all again tomorrow, right? And got to catch up with some office work. That's fine. Okay. So signing off. Take care, guys.